Welcome to my channel, Netgear EAX12 Wi-Fi Range Extender Setup. Plug the EAX12 into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green on your computer or mobile device. Go to Wi-Fi settings, connect to the extender's temporary network, open a browser and go to http://mywifi.ext.net or http://192.168.1.250. The Netgear Installation Assistant will launch. Select Wi-Fi Range Extender Setup. You'll be prompted to set the extended network name. SSID and password can be same as router. Wait for settings to apply and extender to reboot. Reconnect your devices to the new extended network. Once setup is complete, unplug and move the extender to a location halfway between your router and the Wi-Fi dead zone. Ensure the signal LED is green or amber, indicating a good connection. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. Use the Nighthawk app, iOS/Android, for easy management. Always update firmware via mywifi.ext.net settings firmware update. For any technical issues, visit us